guys, it's Cole Connell with Reckless Outdoors, and today we are showing you our mystery farm animal. If you can hear that in the back, you might be able to guess, you might not. But I'm going to show you regular routine, but I'm going to show you my new, my mystery farm animal. So I only have one, but I have a good amount of it. Okay, so let's go right here. Our plants are doing alright. Y'all can probably hear that. Y'all might be able to guess, and I wouldn't be surprised. It's coming sometime though. Chickens. Got chickens. I got these are. Are you kidding me? You had to do that. Look at her. She's being crazy, dude. This is my Rhode Island Reds that I raised up from little babies. She'll take y'all through the regular routine. Go ahead, and a quick tip for you, dude. You have to have chicken feed. Chicken feed, dude, you need to have it in like a metal something. I have it in a big metal trash can. You can have it in a metal container. It's best to have it in something metal or hard plastic because it gets it. But we have some good feed, good chicken laying pellets. It helps them lay. Because some of them are too old to lay because I got them like when they were like 2 years old, and that was when I started. Yeah, but you're like, why is that one missing her tail? Well, she got attacked by something, not when I had her, when somebody else had her. So she got attacked by something. So, but she's growing it back, growing her fluff butt back. So we are going to. I got one more feed them all that and go chee. Well, some of them was already coming, but I thought the Rhode Island Reds, they would come to my kill. But that's we're just feeding right now. Now we gotta water, and I'll show you. I gotta give you another tip. These are like chicken tips, but showing them a mystery farm out. This is a little bit of everything. Yes. Well, let's take out a little bit of feed here. And I got. See, when I come in here in the morning, they always think I have water for them, but I'm getting ready because they look. Hey, go back, Hennifer, go. No, you Corona. Oh, sorry, Princess. See, good chicken. Rhode Island Red, she's a hen. She is awesome. What do you think about that? Yes. Take her. They're fine. They're crazy chickens. Look at all that nasty in there. But see, another tip, they poop in it, but they don't poop in it as much. But if you get a water, put them in water, get a hanging water feeder. Like, see, I got a hanger right here, and it hangs up in there. Because they still crap in it. But they don't crap in it as much, so it don't get their food nasty to where they don't want to drink it. So it's really, really good. And it gets them. We're gonna take it. Got to water her. I had our homemade mouse trap. It worked for a very long time. Until we probably caught all the mice. Oh, so we have it on flood now. Put it on Legit. Okay. Take it and dump it out. Gotta clean it real nice for them, so they ain't drinking their own crap. Yeet! Oh, sorry. The thing acted like it wanted to is do everything. Okay, since I got that pretty decent clean, some of you can't get off because it's hard. Something a little nasty, but it's chicken like this. The only really cleaning the thing and cleaning this is really the only thing that's nasty about chickens. Other things are awesome. I love chickens, and they're amazing farm animals. They give you eggs, which the Murdoch Reds ain't big enough to lay me some eggies. So they'll be laying in about a month and a half, or like 3 weeks. So they'll be laying really good. So you get that fresh water in there. They can drink good, drink. There we go, we closed it. Now we gotta, this will set you on top of the chicken mess. So y'all can see, all y'all are gonna be really seeing is there. Because this is harder to do this way. Because I had to carry the chicken thing and it still spills. It spilled, that's the bad thing about it. It really don't spill at all, but it still spills a little bit. And I got 1 gallon good, but I probably should have like a 5 to 10 gallon one. It'd be so much better. Hey, y'all ready for y'all water? Hey, Larry the rooster. Larry. I don't know what he's doing. He's usually not all alone. He usually has his hands. Okay. Flip it over. Okay. Here you go, Betsy. Betsy and Big Bertha. And, chill. Jesus. See, look, they all come to it. They all come to, oh, hey, Larry. Hey, Larry. How you doing? There's a bunch of chickens in it. Oh, having some fun. What, you should be in there. Well, it probably wouldn't fit a bunch of chickens in there. But they're doing good. So, we'll take you out through the journey. I got a video right after this coming up. I have baby chicks. Because I told you I had a lot of them. That's not a lot. So I have 10 more. And the video will be after that. So make sure you like and subscribe. Leave like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so y'all can watch every video. So this is Breakfast Outdoors. Adios.